Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report and repair for Jamey in Kentucky on this RCI-2950. Jamey, got it ready to go for you, bud. Show you that your memory's going to hold. It doesn't go back to 2600 anymore. We replaced the old worn out battery here. Had several cold solder joints, intermittent transmit and receive. Took care of all that. Did our tune alignment, voltage adjustments, got your bias correctly. Also went through and did the clarifier mod as well, and it's a good little talker. Let me just get right to it here. I don't have a knob for you. I looked around and I didn't have one, so let me turn RF power all the way down. 25 watt slug, there's half a watt. 5 watts all the way up. I'm gonna show you average power swing. Hello, 15 bird, 50 watt slug in PEP. Hello, and 37 peak. All right, Jamey, it's ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy it. Your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.